Right, and again, more of the same. Okay, now find the equation of the line described. Now, I think some of you just lost the plot on this one because this is one of the easy ones on the test. And remember, the equation of the line we're going to write as y equals, here we go again, y equals mx plus b. Okay, in that format somehow. Oops, that was a plus. Okay, there we go. The equation of the line, y equals something x, and then a number at the end, which if you remember is the y-intercept. Now look, that is the slope next to the x, that is the y-intercept at the end. Okay, you've got to remember that, right? Y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope, the b is the y-intercept. Well, realise that, there we go, there's the slope. Okay, right, then I shall write y equals, I'm going to put that number, 3 over 2, okay, make sure that looks like 3, next to the x, because that's the slope m, so the number next to the x, there's the slope. What's the y-intercept? Well, for this one, sometimes they don't give it you. This one is giving you. 0 with a number is the y-intercept. No x, but a y, that's the y-intercept. If the y-intercept is 8, then I'm just going to stick an 8 at the end. And that's the answer. I don't have to do any more than that. The numbers are right there in the question. Okay? Right, and again, some of you struggle with 12, but it's this one. Okay, think about this. X and y. Okay, when x equals 0, okay, in other words, that's not there. Okay, x is 0, it's gone. Can you clearly see y equals -4? Right, there we go. And that, folks, is the y-intercept, not the x-intercept like some of you did. 0, -4 is the y-intercept. And the reason why it's a y-intercept is because there's a y there and there's not an x. All right, remember, x first, y second. Right, let's do y equals 0. Okay, now can you see? I'll just erase this. When y equals 0, in other words, that's not there, then x equals -4. And that, folks, is the x-intercept. -4, 0 is the x-intercept, okay? Not the y-intercept. It's got an x value, all right? And that's it. It was kind of as straightforward as that if you remember how to do it, right? That's it, the x and y-intercept. Okay, last one for this video. And honestly, it's the opposite of question 11, all right? So remember, I had some numbers, I had to create an equation. Well, here is an equation, so pull out the numbers. The slope is that right there. That's the slope. The slope, oops, is 5/7. So again, for shortcuts, I'll write m. That is the slope because it's the number next to the x. What's the y-intercept? It's the number at the end, okay? Now, again, some of you wrote just 8.2 or whatever, but remember, write it properly. The y-intercept is 0, comma, and then write the number 8.2 or -8.2, okay? And that is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept and the slope, okay? Right there in the question.